Managing multiple bank accounts without getting confused is easier than you think. It's all about creating a system that works for you, organizing everything in one place, and automating where you can. Stick with me for the next few minutes to see exactly how to make sure all your accounts are under control and never feel overwhelming. The first thing you need to do is get a clear understanding of what each account is for. This is key to keeping everything organized. You might have a savings account, checking accounts for different purposes, and maybe even an account for business expenses. Make sure each account has a distinct purpose and keep them separate. Next, link all your accounts to one central place. The easiest way to do this is through a financial tracking app or a money management tool. The software we'll be using in this video is an example of this. It allows you to connect all your accounts in one spot so you don't have to manually check each one. You can see your balances, transactions, and even categorize your spending in real time, saving you loads of time and confusion. Automation is your best friend when it comes to managing multiple bank accounts. Set up automatic transfers between your accounts for things like savings, loan payments, or bills. This helps you avoid missing payments or getting confused about what's in each account. Make sure to set reminders too for things like checking your statements each month to keep track of any changes. One important tip here is to keep track of all fees and charges. Many people forget about monthly maintenance fees or ATM withdrawal fees that can add up across multiple accounts. Keep an eye on these fees and see if you can eliminate unnecessary charges. You can do this by choosing accounts with no maintenance fees or using fee-free ATMs. Having a system of categorizing your expenses helps as well. For instance, using labels for each account within your money management tool makes it clear where each deposit and withdrawal is coming from and where it's going. By assigning different colors or categories for each account, you get an instant overview of what's going on with your finances without any confusion. Now, let's talk about our software. This tool is one of the best at consolidating all your accounts in one easy-to-use platform. You can get a better idea of how it works by checking out the exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure to grab it if you want to follow along. Key takeaway here is simple. Organizing your accounts, automating transfers, and using a financial tracking app will make managing multiple bank accounts easy and stress-free. Don't forget to set up automatic reminders and to regularly check your fees. And if you're looking for the software to help you with this, be sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked below. To quickly recap, you need to 1. Assign clear purposes to each account. 2. Use software to link all your accounts in one place. 3. Set up automatic transfers and reminders. 4. Keep track of your fees and expenses. 5. Utilize categorization to avoid confusion. That's all for this quick tutorial on how to manage multiple bank accounts without getting confused. Take advantage of the free trial and start organizing your accounts today.